Here is how to download Minecraft Java Edition for free on your PC. So first, you need to launch a web browser and then simply search for Minecraft Trial. Select the first option and go to its website, which is indicating Minecraft free trial for different devices. Now on the website, you need to scroll down to the download section and choose your operating system, whether Windows 10 or 11, and select the Java Edition. And after the download is complete, you need to go ahead and open your downloads folder. Select I have read and accept the Microsoft software license terms and select install, which is highlighted in green color. When the installation finishes, you need to click on Let's Go and sign in with the Microsoft account that has never been used to play Minecraft before. If you don't have one, you can create a new account by clicking on the Microsoft account link, and after signing in, the Minecraft launcher will open. And then after, you need to sign in again and log in with the Microsoft account and click on Play Demo in the top navigation bar, and the game will start downloading. And once it's finished, you can play Minecraft for free in the demo mode. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.